Hey guys, I want to talk to you today about the brand new NuCamp trailer that's going to be offered in fall of 2020. This is the Barefoot. Now this is a European production model. It's 16.5 feet and weighs about 2,200 pounds right now. Once we get to America with this particular production unit, you're going to see a few things change. The frame's going to change. It's going to be a little different with the axle system. Most of this is going to be very, very close to the same, but we'll be looking forward to some updates as the year progresses. So let's take a walk on the inside of the Barefoot. So one of the things that really impressed me about the Barefoot is the actual inside space. There's a lot of space for a very small 16.5 foot trailer. I'm a pretty decent sized guy and I can stretch out really well on these cushions. At one point here at uCamp, we had up to 6 people sitting here at this dinette. This is a dinette and this will pull out into a bed very easily. Sliders for the bed are on self-supporting legs. So you just slide them out, cushions lay down, that's all there is to it. It is a little bit smaller than a queen, a little bigger than a full when it comes to the actual bed size. Everything is radius on the front and the sides. So the actual sheet size, you would need a queen to cover up everything and that way it would actually fit properly. This is going to have USBs, 110s, all of the normal stuff that you're going to see in a trailer. Like I said, this is a very European design. We are still waiting for the final, this is going to happen for the North American market, but we're very anxiously awaiting this. Over in the kitchen area here, you're going to have recessed stove and a recessed sink in here as well. The refrigerator is down below. Now, like I said, all of this stuff could change at some point, but there is a ton of storage. Everything is storage. Storage back behind, that opens up. This down here will open up. This opens up for storage down in here as well. You have storage underneath the seating and the bed. A few things that you're probably familiar with if you understand NuCamp. Same type of windows. A lot of that European feel that they're already doing is going to stay and continue. When you get into the bathroom back here, that's where it really shines. It's all the way across the back side of the trailer. You have a recess down in the floor to where you can actually put your feet down in there on the actual teak wood, and then the toilet sits back inside of there. Stay tuned and we'll update you on future changes for the Barefoot as it comes to the North American market in 2020 in the fall.